Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the CS-Cart product recommendation system. This powerful tool helps boost sales by recommending relevant products to customers based on their activity. It enhances the shopping experience and drives more sales.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
Firstly, click on Add-ons, then click on Developers and select Webkul Software Private Limited. Here, click on the gear icon and choose Manual Installation. From here, you can select the zipped file you downloaded from the CS-Cart developer site. I have already installed it here. As you can see, it is in a ready and active state. Now, let's move on to the configuration section. Click on the Recommended Products add-on and go to the Settings section. Here, you will need to provide all the important URL, like the embedding URL, query URL, token, collection name, and the number of products you want to display on the storefront. Then, you will see a field to set the distance value. This controls the accuracy of the recommended products. For example, a distance value of 0.1 gives the most accurate recommendations, while 9 is the least accurate. After entering the values, click on the Save button, then click on the Bulk Sync button. The next important step is to display the recommended products on the storefront. To do that, go to the Website section, then the Theme section, and click on Layout. Click on Products, and under the Main Content area, click the plus button to add a block. Choose Create New Block. Select Product as the type and name your block. For example, Recommended Products. Then, select Products from Template. Go to the Content section. Here, choose Recommended Products, then click Create. You'll see that your block has been added. Next, go to Settings, then we will click on Wrapper and choose the heading class, for example, H2, and then click Save. Now, let's jump to the storefront. Here, we search for an item like phone. Now, click on any item, and in the Details section, you will see the recommended products displayed. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.